Sheamus and Cesaro going to join us here at the announce desk. Wait a minute. The monster among men, Braun Strowman.
What is Strowman doing?
I have no idea. Whatever he wants, I guess.
Well, you heard him. He said, "Let's go."
This place just exploded for the monster among men.
What is Braun doing out here, though?
There are 10 men in the ring right now that are very much wondering.
Oh, this is a tag team battle royal, Coach.
Well,
Strowman just ordered the official to ring the bell.
So is this really happening? I guess Strowman's a part of this thing. He just eliminated Apollo, and now Slater's gonna try to take out Strowman.
I understand we're dealing with a monster among men, but we're talking about full-time tag teams in there with an opportunity at WrestleMania at stake.
all right, so is he a team all by himself?
Well, I'm not sure, but I do want to tell you this. Apollo was eliminated, Titus still involved, so the team,
Wait.
Titus' team is still involved in this. And Strowman drives Slater into the barricade. And the bar is here with us, the tag team champions, who'll face the winner of this battle royal. Guys, what do you think about all this?
Well, what's the story? Is anybody clue this fella in? It's a tag team battle royal.
Well, it's a battle royal. You must only be eliminated by going over the top rope with both feet hitting the floor, which obviously neither Slater nor Strowman just did. Well, until now.
Slater did. Slater's out.
He's not a tag team. He's an individual. He's not a tag team.
I don't think that's legal.
Well, guys, what would you do if Strowman yelled at you to ring the bell?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know what this is. I can't blame him.
Yeah, it's 8 men
Get rid of
attacking
him.
Braun Strowman.
Get rid of him.
Finally,
Teamwork.
they got some smarts about him.
And the monster among men trying to hang on as the rest of the tag team division tries to dump Strowman over the top rope.
Oh, wait a minute, the Revival now picking off Rhino.
And eliminating Rhino. Teamwork. Normally you don't see it in a tag team, in a battle royal, but in a tag team battle royal, you do it. Titus with the right hand. His teammate Apollo's already been eliminated.
I guess the question I think everybody's wondering at home is, if Braun Strowman wins this, would he be considered the winning tag team?
Who knows? Strowman just cleaning everybody's clock, though.
Remember, all those superstars just rolled out into the bottom rope. They are all still legally in this battle royal.
Titus is going to try to stand up to the big man. Booker says Titus is a big guy, but Braun Strowman is a monster.
Well, I like the moxie, I like the guts.
Titus wants to go to WrestleMania to face the bar. And Titus thought twice about it. Strowman standing tall. This battle royal rolls on. They're getting together. And we are back on Monday Night Raw. The tag team battle royal continues. Braun Strowman, yes, is a part of this battle royal, even though he's not a part of a tag team.
A one-man tag team.
The winner will face the bar at WrestleMania for the tag team titles. And Strowman exploded out of the pile. A right hand of the Revival. Now, Carl Anderson to the back of the knee. Great strategy. And Titus with a big boot.
You're gonna have to gang up on Strowman if you want any chance of eliminating him.
Through the second rope, not eliminated. You got to go over the top rope, and both feet have to hit the floor. Meanwhile, the mauling continues of Strowman outside the ring. Driven into the steps.
Yeah, but remember, now all these superstars have to get Strowman back in the ring and then over the top rope. You don't want to completely incapacitate him on the outside.
I mean, I don't even know if this is legal when Strowman's even in this match.
Well, when you're throwing a curveball like this, you have to make your game plan on the fly, and sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not so good.
And again, the steel steps driven into Strowman, into the shoulder, and Strowman still